Alright guys, this is a long-awaited YUJIAOLAND Trident weapon. Let's go! This is the first project of YUJIAOLAND plastic model kit. For now, we just do unboxing and looking for the runner quality. Overall, this is very nice packaging, very similar with MODELKIT. Let's open this box. Wow! The detail is very nice and injection runner is neat and good. Need to try assembly this kit to check how good the snap fit is. Color tone from the runner is two colors, dark gray and white only. I guess you can just do assembly without repaint. There is water decal included, and the manual, of course, something like this is a extra manual. And the manual is quite heavy. As you can see, there is 50 pages of that. Very great. This is full color manual. The instruction is very complete. The color guide and a decal. If you want to know the detail of this kit, you can visit my Instagram, link and down below. And you want to buy this kit, there is available too on my marketplace, or you can just message me on Instagram. And thank you guys for watching.